Back at you once again on NASA's drones. Here we have the Hennessey Venom GT. Look at the brakes on this joint. This is a mean joint right here. I'm getting this right now courtesy of my brother. Look at the controller. The controller is mean. This is a fast car. This is the speed right here, what it does. This is a fast car. This is mean right here. And it's made by Hennessey. And you know we black, so you know how black people love their Hennessey. Here we go right here. It even has real working motors. This is a mean one right here. This is a mean joint coming at y'all. This is tough. This is real tough right here. Working lights. Let me show you what I mean by working motor. She ready to go. She ready to go right now. Motors in the inside. She ready to go. This is nice right here. Here you have it. Courtesy of my brother. This is a mean joint right here, yo. This is a mean one. I'll put a video up with it running.